Hello everyone. Welcome to our MOOC on understanding the TPEG framework. I am Dr. Rashmi Chauhan and I am excited to guide you through this comprehensive 2-week program designed to enhance your teaching strategies by integrating technology, pedagogy and content knowledge. This will be of 2-week duration non-credit course which is based on 4-quadrant approach. In week 1, the focus will be on introduction to TPEG framework in which we will learn what is TPEG. TPEG is a conceptual framework that describes the essential knowledge teachers need to effectively integrate technology into their teaching practice. Key components of TPEG. The TPEG framework consists of 3 core components: technology knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and content knowledge. Together, these components empower teachers to make informed decisions about integrating technology to support students' learning. Why is TPEG important? TPEG empowers teachers to create dynamic and engaging lessons that meet the needs of today's learners. By thoughtfully incorporating technology, you can enhance the delivery of content and foster an interactive learning environment that keeps students engaged and motivated. After that, the focus will be on how to integrate TPEG in classroom teaching. While integrating TPEG in classroom teaching, you need to consider the following points in mind. These are: what content are you teaching? Which pedagogy will you apply to teach it? And what tools will you use to enhance teaching learning? Thoughtfully incorporating these elements can transform your lesson plans, making them more effective and engaging for your students. In week 2, the focus will be on how to apply TPEG in classroom teaching practice. In practice, applying TPEG involves 3 key steps. That is, to explore the available technologies, teaching methods, and content-specific resources, to develop lesson plans that align with technology, pedagogy, and content, to implement your plans into practice, continuously evaluating and adjusting to optimize student learning. While designing TPEG-informed lesson plans, these points must be followed. Number 1 is clearly identify learning goals. Number 2, select appropriate technologies that integrate seamlessly with your content and pedagogical approaches. Next, effectively integrate technology to engage students. And then, continuously evaluate and refine your lesson plans. After that, the focus will be on assessing the integration of TPEG framework. It involves monitoring student engagement and learning outcomes, gather feedback from students to understand the impact of your TPEG-based lessons, regularly evaluate your own practices and identify areas for improvement, share best practices with your peer group and learn from your colleagues. At the end of week 2, the focus will be on addressing challenges and barriers. These challenges can be divided majorly into 3 parts. These are access to technology to use in classroom, professional development of teachers for using TPEG in classroom, and institutional support and resources for TPEG implementation in classroom. After completing our MOOC on TPEG framework, you will have the knowledge and tools to effectively integrate technology, pedagogy, and content to enhance your classroom teaching and student learning. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continue exploring, experimenting, and sharing your TPEG experiences with others. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you transform your teaching practices with TPEG. See you in the course.